Hi guys, it's Kelea here. How's everybody? I'm so excited to be with you. We're gonna pop off a really fun project today. I think it'll be a lot of fun. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on this project. This is a kit, so if you are wanting the link for the kit, you can always put a, just let us know in the comments. And Nicole's on live with us right now, and she'll get you the link for the kit. If it's on a replay, just let us know in the comments too, and we'll come back and get it for you. All right, so it's gonna come, the kit comes with several picks, and it also comes with this adorable little mistletoe cluster, okay? And I'll show you why we're gonna want that in a minute. But of course it says Christmas wishes and mistletoe kisses. So my idea is you could chase your families and members around with this little mistletoe bundle and make them kiss you. Wouldn't that be fun? This was planned out pre-COVID, but you can now you can chase them around and terrify them that you're going to get them a kiss and get them sick. Y'all, it's all in fun. We're just having fun here. Thank you, Ann. Thank you. So we're going to do a couple of little clusters first off. So I'm going to pull this off to the side for a minute. We're going to have a little open room over here to work on. And I'll put my little mistletoe cluster away. And let's get it started. So two of the picks that come in the kit have berries and kind of like little crabapple type looking cherry type berries that are always fun. Hi Sonia, hi Ann, hi Vince, thank you so much. Happy Saturday. Hi Georgie. And Georgia, good to see you guys. Then these are greenery picks, okay? So we're going to use these in little clusters together. And I am just going to cut off their little tips a little bit. So what you're going to need at home, you're going to need some hot glue, you're going to need a little hammer, and you're going to need a wire cutter on your own. Switch out and get my good cutters. Those are my wore out cutters. Here's the good ones. Okay, let's trim all that. Thank you for sprinkling, guys. So I'm going to make these clusters at the same time. I just cut off that little tip because we don't need that getting in the way. Alright. Now just take and slide these behind each other where the stems go in the back. Okay, because we want those to be hidden in the back. And the way we're going to kind of make this pick look similar on both sides is we're just going to do a little bit of switching around. I'm going to bring the pine over here. Okay, I did it on that one. Let's do it on this one. So I'm just holding it in the middle while I'm bringing the pine over. Okay. And now I'm going to bring that little berry over. Just bend the wire. And then one holly leaf. So that way the holly leaves are kind of opposite each other. And then I'll bring the berries over on this one. Okay, and just in design school, our design class, we call that shaking hands. So you're going to take a moment and shake hands with everything. Oh, good, 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 good. I'm glad you're liking it all. Excellent. And we want a little section kind of a little bit open in the middle because we've got a little surprise we're going to pop in there. Okay? So your kit also comes with a couple cable ties. You're going to take and just slide them under and just get it tight there. Well, I'm glad, Cece, I'm glad you liked it. Awesome. Hey, Sharon. Hey, Brenda. Hi, Jan. Happy Saturday to you, too. Y'all, there's lawnmowers going, dogs barking. Kaya got an early Christmas gift of a basketball goal, and she just thinks that that is awesome. She's happy. Okay. So I just pull that tight. All right, and there are those, and I'm going to trim this off. So you've got two basically identical clusters. Now, I didn't say earlier you needed a staple gun. You could glue these on the side, but I am going to totally use a staple gun also, just to get a little more, you know, holding power basically. And I'm also going to be gluing them as well. If you're going to make this as a gift, I would suggest just hitting it with a little staple gun also. Okay. Hey, Alice, you're filling orders. Awesome. Good job. Now, I'm going to bring my big sign back here, and literally we're going to put these out on opposite corners pretty far out, okay, just to add that little bit of touch of greenery, which is super cute. And even if you're not getting the kit from us, guys, think about signs you might have or signs you make. If you're a door hanger, painter, or maker, you know, you might add a little bit of embellishment to your projects. So it's going to be a little loud. I'm going to staple gun a couple of these in here. Hopefully I can get a little bit in there. I'm also going to just grab like a little of the pick here and then add some glue. I've got a hammer too if you want to hammer any of those staples in. I'm using a pretty short staple. If I had my longer one, it would be working a little bit better. There we go. Boom! Okay, that one's in. I'm going to do the same thing down here. Sorry it's so loud. But this one, because we are going to be using our little mistletoe cluster over here, we want to keep it way down to the edge. Hi, Christy. All right. So I'm going to bring a little of the pine over. This little leaf. Spread those out so I can grab those with the staple gun. Boom. Oh man, I missed it. Shoot. Got it. Let's do another one. Alright. Maybe one more. Let's do one more on this holly leaf. I'm going to turn it this way. Hey Ari, I'm using your favorite tool you don't like, your staple gun. She's like, I do not like the staple gun, Mom. Okay, so far so cute. Thanks, Linda Sue. I'm glad you're liking it. All right, those are stapled in. Now, our next step is we are going to, in your kit, you're also going to get a couple of candy canes. Hi, Janet. Great to see you. I'm going to curl this into like a little ball. So we're not going to use it as a candy cane. We're going to turn it into a little candy. And I'm going to just poke that wire in so it doesn't come out. And then these are going to sit right in the center of our clusters to cover up all the mechanics. Okay? So let me make 2 of those. And then we're going to glue them in. Hi, Susie. We're going to totally glue these in. So I just curled this up. Y'all, I'm sorry the lawnmowers are so loud in the background. They are just, and we got like a lot of crews out there. They're not at my house, but they're at the neighbors. All right, 2 candies ready to go, right for the center. All right, let me get some glue. I am using my glue pot, so you're gonna see me bring over the glue on the stick. That's just the way I like to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue in the back here. And then I also want to just hit these staples in here with a little glue. Just keep rotating it. Alright. Okay, and then I'm going to take and just push that candy down on there. I'm going to put my little velvet leaf behind it. My little holly velvet leaf. You like it, Georgie? Yay! Cool! Okay. Oh, thanks, Anita. You guys, anybody can do this. This is just a simple little fun project. All right, same thing. Let's do this one. Hi, Anna. Great to see you from Portugal. Okay, and then I'm going to try to hit these staples. So I know I'm getting some glue on all the staples. Okay. I'm curling, you see me do that as I'm getting rid of the glue sting, right? Glue string, not the sting. No stinging. Alright. These are so cute. These have artificial pine cones. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I just love those artificial pine cones. I don't know why. Okay, that's it. Now, we're not done yet. We are not done. Okay, let's see if we can get this. I am going to make, this is where I talked about, you're going to get this little cluster all cute wrapped up like this. And then I thought this would be cute. You could take it over to your honey bunny and you could do like a sweet little kiss with it. It'll be a lot of fun. And then that could create memories of where your mistletoe is every year. So I'm going to hang this just kind of a little off to the side where the other mistletoe is printed on the side. So whether you have this off or you use it somewhere else, it'll be look really cute. So you decide where you want it. It could go right up here, or I'm going to move it over just a little bit. And then this we're going to hammer in, okay? Oh, got to keep hammering it. So you get it nice and tight. I think I'm going to need a little board underneath it. Oh, Kaya's giving me a hard time from outside. I was thinking we would use a cup hook, but then I thought this little cute little gold nail is cute. Alright, so then you can just take and hang it on the nail when you hang it up. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So now you can chase your honey bunny around and give him kisses with your portable mistletoe, along with your cute mistletoe wishes and Christmas kisses sign. Isn't that cute? I said that backward. Christmas wishes and mistletoe kisses. All right, that is the gist of our simple Saturday project. It's super duper easy, quick, fun, and these are usually inexpensive kits we have on our website. So if you need the link to the kit, just put link in the comments. You can also go to checkkelea.com for more blog posts and fun projects just like this. All right, you guys have a great weekend. I am going to be helping Honey Bunny at the warehouse, shipping out tons of orders, and be ready. Good stuff is coming your way. Bye, everyone.